नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू ए सोल विंडो। मैं पहले भी बहुत सारे रेडियो में इंटरव्यूज़ दे चुका हूँ डिफरेंट चैनल्स के लिए, बट ये थोड़ा स्पेशल था बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे पास अंदर का फुटेज भी है बिकॉज आई आज जो हमारे लोकल होस्ट थे कि मेरा अंदर का शूट भी कर लीजिए। सो प्लीज़ एंजॉय द इंटरव्यू एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो। हैंडल है @asolwindow। मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा। ज़्यादा बोलूंगा नहीं, अब इंटरव्यू देखो। यूज़ ईयरफोन्स। थैंक यू। No, saying I run a blog called A Sol Window. I write long articles. Like just yesterday, I published an article 17,000 words. So yeah, I write like many
Why
books on
long
my
articles,
blog.
if I may ask?
Huh?
Why long articles?
Because it helps in SEO.
Okay.
So I am not doing some dumb work, some smart work, yeah, SEO wise. So yeah, it helps people to, because I give information on blog, so people find every information under one place. That's why I write long articles. So yeah, I've been traveling since I just completed 15 years of travel across India and
Wow.
other countries also. And just last month I completed all the states of India, like Mizoram, Tripura were my last states. So I just completed that entire India tour. It took me 15 years. I did it lovingly. I was not in a rush. So there's a milestone I achieved recently. And yeah, I love to go on road trips across India, even other countries. Like I was in Kazakhstan. I did 7 days long road trip just a week ago. So yeah.
What has been the toughest, if I may ask, the terrain or a road trip?
Oh, it has to be Ladakh because we got 2 punctures and one puncture was on Khardungla. So I was fixing the puncture at that kind of height. You're not supposed to stay there for more than 15 minutes, but we were spent there around 45 minutes something. Nothing happened to us, thankfully. But yeah, it was slightly snowing and we were stuck on Khardungla. That was the most, I find it exciting on a hindsight. But yeah, that time it was tough.
We have 8 years of Nexa. This is the 8th anniversary that we're here for. Just talk me through about celebrations when it comes to 8 cars in 8 years for a brand like Nexa, who have actually made, if I can say that, luxury pretty affordable for the middle class of the country also.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for completing 8 years of Nexa. I think Nexa has a good fleet of cars which are suitable for all terrains. Like you can just hop on a Jimny and go to some rough terrains like Ladakh and Spiti, or you can, not every terrain requires a car like Jimny. So maybe if you're traveling to Jaipur or say Jodhpur, you can take a Baleno because it fits in your entire family and you can have a good time. Personally, I have long legs, so I like space in a car. So many cars of Nexa qualify in that segment. And yes, I love road trips. So the cars of Nexa are very much suitable for road trips because right now we don't have to reach from point A to point B. The journey itself is a destination, and we want to enjoy the journey. We want to enjoy the process, and if we get to hop on a good car, that makes all the difference.
So Nexa has that on the plate. Also, I would like to ask, for example, when we talk about Nexa, we talk about it as a lifestyle because as they stand for, that's create, inspire. Your lifestyle is primarily travel. How do you marry the two of them? How do you convert a profession or a hobby into a lifestyle? That is what you live for. For example, Nexa, if they promise something, they're delivering something, which is standing to the line of create and inspire. So how do you think, or what do you think differentiates from you being that it's my hobby to go on these road trips versus I live all of this. This is my lifestyle.
So yeah, it initially it was a very personal thing. I'm an accidental blogger. I was not supposed to be a blogger. I was fired from my job for traveling too much. I was in corporate for 7-8 years. So I did travel for myself only. But over the years, right now it's become, not many people understand blog is a business. Like even if you're writing for your blog, it's a business. So that I do things strategically now. Like I plan my travels well. Where do I need to go? Which car do I need to sit on? So earlier it used to be random, but now I go with a lot of planning because this is my profession now. I have to choose my destinations carefully. I can't just go randomly. And for that, I need to have a good car and I need to have good facilities around me to make my experiences memorable. And yeah, and also I have a big audience which follow me. They also want to see, they want tips from me. Which car is good for your trip, which place is good to go, which month is good to go to a place. So yeah, that is it.
So next time we talk about luxury. What is that one luxury you take, or what is that one thing that has always been a part of your travel journey?
As I told you, I think space is the biggest luxury for me because I'm bulky. I'm a 6 feet tall guy with long legs. So space is the biggest luxury, and of course, the car has to like run well on the roads. You should not face much of hiccups while traveling. You should have good clearance, good ground clearance. It should have smooth. It should run smoothly on the roads.
So Nexa, with their 8 cars in 8 years, understands the fact that they want to have different segments of cars for different people for their different requirements. So, for example, you're planning a trip to a different terrain, like Ladakh is A, then you have the southern part of India, for example, or some beautiful roads of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Is there a different process for you also to plan for a different kind of a trip or a terrain?
Well, actually, yeah, I do think of these parameters when I'm planning, because you can't just hop on any car.
Yeah.
And suppose I go to some unsuitable car in Ladakh, I'll be in big trouble. So that is why you have to be very careful with how you choose your cars, because that can make or break your trip.
Superb. Now, the focus to the man who sells lifestyle. Ask you again the most difficult terrain that you've done.
Yes,
What is the
sir.
terrain that was a dream terrain?
So I think Kailash Mansarovar Yatra was my best trip as far, so far, and blah 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 blah.
And what is the longest you've driven together
Longest trip together?
without a break?
Your break, I think, yeah, Kailash Mansarovar. It was a long trip. Can I have 5 seconds more? Same thing vertical. Sorry.
अच्छा आपके लिए पूरा 2 घंटे बिठाऊंगा तेरे को मैं, टेंशन ना ले.
Thank you for watching the entire video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel और bell icon दबा देना please, and follow me on Instagram, उसका link description में है. Thank you. So अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा, of course अच्छा लगा ही होगा, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel YouTube ASOL Window